Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shourabh's classes. So today we are going to carefully solve this question, and let us first understand all the information given in the table before jumping into the question. So at the top we are told distribution of enrollment by class and residency. The total enrollment is 1400. So the total number of the students at this institution is 1400. Now from the first table we can see the breakdown. Residents total is 860 and non-residents total is 540. So quick check, 860 plus 540 is 1400. So everything is consistent. Okay. Now the second table is extremely important. Percentage of total enrollment measuring in the selected academic areas. Humanities 33%, social science 30%. Physical sciences 24%, and we are also told no student is majoring in more than one area. That means these percentages are clean portions of the total enrollment of 1400, right? Now let's read the question very carefully. If 40% of the social science majors are non-residents, then how many residents are social science majors? Now let's slow down and underline the key points mentally. That is 40%, okay, of the social science majors are non-residents. Then how many residents are social science major? Right? So this is a layered percentage problem. First, find the total number of social science majors. We are told 30% of the total enrollment major in social sciences. Total enrollment was what? 1400. So we calculate 30% of 1400. So 10% of 1400 is 140. So 30% is 140 into 3, that is 420. Okay. So total social science majors are 420. Now we are told that 40% of the social science majors are non-residents. Now important question is 40% of what? The answer is 40% of 420. So let's calculate 40% of 420. Now 10% of 420 is 42. So 40% will be 42 into 4, that is 168. So the number of non-resident social science majors are 168. Now we are asked how many residents are social science majors. Total social science majors are 420, non-residents 168. So residents must be the remainder. So residents will be 420 minus 168, that is 252. So residents who are social science majors are 252. Okay, now let's look at the answer choices shown in the question. Answer is 252, so our correct option is option D. Now let's understand the deeper structure of this question, because GRE loves this pattern. Okay, so this is a percentage of a person structure. First percentage, 30% of total enrollment are social science majors. Second percentage, 40% of those are non-residents. So effectively non-resident social science majors are what? 0.40 into 0.30 into 1400. So let's solve this. 12%. Okay, so 12% of 1400 will be what? 168. Same result. Now since 40% are non-residents, that means 60% must be residents, right? Because the entire social science group is 100%. So instead of subtracting, we could directly calculate residents 60% of 420. So that is 252. The same answer. This is actually faster. So on the test day, once you see 40% are non-residents, you can immediately think then 60% are residents and calculate 60% of 420. Now let's discuss about the common mistakes students often do. Mistake number 1. Applying 40% to the total enrollment. Some students might calculate 40% of 1400, that is 560. That would be completely wrong because 40% applies only to the social science majors, not to the all students. Okay, and always ask percentage of what. Second mistake, confusing 40% of social science majors with 40% of residents. Right. The question does not say 40% of residents are social science majors. It says 40% of social science majors are non-residents. That direction matters. This is about composition within the social science group. Now let's do a quick reasonable check. The total residents in school was 860. So we found that 252 residents are social science majors. So let's check what fraction is this. 252 out of 860. So that's a little under 1/3. Since overall 30% of total students are social science majors, it makes sense that residents would have roughly similar proportions. So nothing looks extreme. Everything is consistent. Now let's summarize the full logical flow cleanly. So you should think in a structured way. First, total enrollment is 1400. Second, social science majors is 30% of 1400, that is 420. Non-resident social science majors is 40% of 420, that is 168. And resident social science majors is 420 minus 168, that is 252. So the final answer is 252. And before we close, I want to give you some powerful GRE strategy tip. Whenever you see the layered percentage, A percentage of like A percentage of B percent of total, convert to the decimal immediately. For example, 40% is what? 0.40. 30% is what? 0.30. So multiply first. 0.40 into 0.30, that is 0.12. So that's 12% of the total enrollment. Then apply to 1400. This reduces mental overload and makes the math faster. Alright everyone, that completes this question. And key lessons from today was always identify the correct base group. Second, read the percentage statements directionally and use the decimal multiplication for the layered percentage and do a quick reasonableness check before choosing your answer. So the correct answer for this question is 252. Okay, so this was the whole solution for this question. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.